What's up, guys? Today I've got Ninja on the table. I just want to go through a treatment of two different muscles pretty common in headaches. One of them's called splenius capitis and the other is splenius cervicus. If you get pain on the top of your head or on the top of your head or even behind your eyes, so some people tend to get them, that ring around the eye, but it's behind there. These can be two muscles that are going to be pretty important for relieving those symptoms. So pretty short and sweet here, but I've got Ninja on the table here. I'm just going to turn his head off to the side and you can see that big muscle there, SCM. Everyone's pretty aware of this one there, but it's actually just off the side. So the base of the skull, there's the masseter process, and just in this little nook in here, I'm going to get my thumb, slide it into that little nook, sink in, and up my pressure, I'm just going up towards his eyes is where the sweet spot is. And I just follow our methods, just slowly sink into that a little bit more and more. Ninja, check in with Ninja, see how he's feeling.
Yep, no, it's fine. It's good.
And really this is just a bit of a waiting game. Hang out here, camp, sit around for a bit, have a cocoa.
yeah. Cup of tea or something.
And you can sort of, explore a little bit, change angle a little bit. I can turn up this way a little bit. Like this doesn't really kill my thumb because I'm more just pushing with my arm itself. It's just the thumb is that extension of my arm. You can just start to scoop it down. Ninja'd be loving this, I reckon. A nice little scoop down.
Yeah, it's starting to get more therapeutic now. It's my body's let you in, type of thing.
I've moved down, not a great deal, but just gonna push back up in towards those eyes again.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you're someone that's, like I said before, getting the pain on the top of the head, this is a good one you can get to, and you can pretty much get this yourself. I mean, nearly everything you can get at yourself. But the angle, I think, is probably the most important bit, is just trying to get that towards the eyes there. That would have changed a little bit for you there, Ninja.
Yeah.
And just wait it out.
It's amazing those little angle changes. You hit a different aspect of a bone or tendon, and then just the pain elicited is really different. But you kind of know that it's on the right track. It's therapeutic.
Now I'll just do a little, just change my angle a little bit. Just going to scoop down a little bit.
Cool.
So it's feeling a little bit more gunked up here. Change my angle again so that I can sink more into it. That's another thing actually to consider here too. This is it's where our vagus nerve exits. So you could impact like people's digestion and that sort of stuff, all the organs, by working on this area here. So it pays to go super slow. Don't rush it. How you going there, Ninja?
Yeah, it's really good, thanks, man. It's doing a lot more than probably what you'd think looking at it. Yeah, you can really feel every little bit.
Good.
And just, think about the neck. That does feed all the nerves information from the brain, doesn't it? It's a bridge down to the body. So yeah, the bridge has got to be clear, and then all the traffic gets through. Hopefully.
That's it. So that's splenius capitis. I'm just sinking out of there. The next one is splenius cervicus. Now it is at the back of the neck, so I will get Ninja to flip over in a second. But if I show you on myself here, I think Leo, just find the base of your skull and then work down about 4 fingers roughly, so maybe about 4.5 inches. Find the middle of your spine and just trace out to the side, and you'll feel like there's a little bit of a nodule there. That's where you want to sink into. Just once again, that's something that you can do on yourself. So I will just get onto this first. So I'm just finding the base of Ninja's skull. Use my fingers to give myself a bit of a measurement, and then I can just sink into that. Let Ninja sit his head back. I just need to move a fraction. You going all right there, man?
Yeah, cool.
And so this is the one, if you get the pain behind the eyes, which seems to be pretty common for a lot of people. So yeah, just work on this. Work on it yourself. Find yourself a practitioner. Come see us. Buy Fix It yourself.
Yeah.
Give it a go. You can do most of this stuff on yourself. Just push into it. How's it feel? Does it feel shit?
Nah,
Maybe.
feels good.
Yeah.
Feels good, man. Yeah, there's this achy kind of feel, which is a good ache.
And like there is a bit of a difference. If I've got Ninja laying like this, I'm actually supporting his head. It's a little bit different, as opposed to if I have him laying face down, it kind of pushes the neck into that little bit of extension there. Whereas this way I've got the weight of his head here. You can do like little strums, which I don't know if you can see my hand move there, but it's just this little movement back and forth. You going all right there, Ninja?
Yeah, I can really feel it, man. Mightn't look like much on camera, but yeah, you can really feel you're strumming over a tender patch, you know, and it feels really therapeutic. Yeah.
What's funny is too, you'll see when I actually take my hand out, I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but my second joint locks out.
Yeah.
And it's like a fishing rod. So I'm just gonna hold up there. So it wouldn't have looked like I was doing much.
Yeah.
But you can see Ninja's feeling all of it.
Mm-hmm. It's really good. It's really good. And just sort of adding to Blake, you know, backing it up is, yeah, angles do matter, and access to the body, it is an art. Yeah, when you got them on their back or on their side or sitting up or on their stomach, you can access different things, or different things are relaxed and softer and things like that. So if you want them to be soft and relaxed, you got to figure out what position you want the body in, or if you want them in the natural posture, like you get them seated or things like that. So
just going to tilt Ninja's head here so I can show you what the finger does. I'm just going to sink out of there. You can see that. There we go. So you can see that's where I was, just in there. So I might, just for viewing sake, I might just get Ninja to flip over onto his stomach, just so I can show everyone where it's going to be on the neck. So you just look for the bottom of the skull. That's it there. About 4 fingers width. So we're going to go just about there, and even just with a soft little touch, I can feel, well, just there. So going with our MMT approach, I've got a bit of a different angle here. I'm angling more towards his spine. You going all right there, Ninja?
yeah, that feels really connected now, therapeutic.
So yeah, just hang out there. A little bit different because I can actually angle a bit better towards the spine from here. But find the angle that works for you, for your client, what feels better, what gets the best result. Experiment. So that's probably about it from me for this.
Yeah.
I'm just going to sit here for a little bit longer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, give this one a go. Put it in the comments if there's anything you want to see us treat, and we'll get it done.
Thanks for your support, guys.